So this is the AHA CPR mannequin that is low cost and you can use to simulate bag valve mask skills and also use for simulation scenarios. And it's really nice, again, because it is low cost and also it shows chest rise. So it's particularly good when simulating and demonstrating bag valve mask ventilation. And so you can decide whether you want to teach the skill of bag valve mask ventilation on its own without any particular scenario and just practice the skill itself versus using it and embedding the skill within a case. And so an example could be a 7-month-old who has suspected sepsis and has respiratory depression. And that's the case that you give to your team and you have them act out the case. And so again, the nice thing about this mannequin is you can actually see the chest rise. And so you can practice, again, that positioning as well as the seal, as well as ventilation. And really, the good thing and the tips to keep in mind with this mannequin is that you want to make sure that the mannequin itself is fully inflated. You also want to make sure, which is good practice, that you're not pushing too hard down on the face, which causes some obstruction. And a good chin tilt and head lift can really help accentuate and show off that chest rise that you're aiming for. Another tip is that you want to either have someone hold the legs of the mannequin or to tape them down so that it's easier to do the chin tilt head lift and get the mannequin in a position to where you see good chest rise.